I've been living inside Hermes Agent for a while now, and it has two commands most people scroll right past: /learn and /goal. /learn teaches Hermes Agent a skill once, making it permanent and reusable. You can point it at almost anything: a folder of documents, a URL, or even a conversation you just had, and it writes the skill file for you. No manual coding required. That solves the amnesia problem. You no longer have to spend the first 10 minutes of every session re-explaining your business, your voice, or your process from scratch. /goal is the other half of the equation. You provide a standing objective rather than a single request, and it keeps working, turn after turn, until that objective is met and proven. Hermes just added a feature called completion contracts. You define what done looks like, and the agent checks its own work against those criteria before it stops, instead of quitting the moment it feels satisfied. That is the difference between "I think I'm finished" and "here is proof I'm finished." I have 8 real-world examples to show you that you can teach it with /learn, and I'm leading with my favorite. 2 of them will be handed straight to /goal, so you can watch it finish the job completely unsupervised. Then, at the very end, the part I genuinely want you to stick around for, I will show you how every single skill from this list gets saved permanently with Supabase, ensuring the next agent you spin up already knows everything. Let's go. Let's start with the first one. I'm in my Hermes Agent desktop using the Z.AI GLM 5.2 model. I'll begin by loading a sample slide deck that contains my reference brand style and layouts. Next, I'm going to type /learn the brand and style for this slide deck so that I can create new slide decks with this brand and style. Then I'll let Hermes go to work. It's going to spend a few minutes analyzing the slides for color, brand style, and layouts. Once finished, it will generate a new skill that can be reused to produce the exact same brand style for any new content I create. Okay, it's finished. I'll head over to the Capabilities section where I can see the new skill, Editorial Slide Deck Brand. I can also open the Markdown file it created to review exactly what it has learned. Now that Hermes understands how to replicate the look of my original deck, let's try it out with some new content. Okay, let's start a new session. Here is a PDF containing the information I want to format into the brand style slide deck I just asked Hermes to learn. I'm going to type /goal. Use the editorial-slide deck brand skill to create a slide deck from this PDF. Hermes will read the PDF and iterate through the content until it has created a new slide deck based on the information I just shared. It will first create an HTML version of the slides, verify that the generated content is correct, and then convert everything into a PDF containing the completed slide deck. Here is the original brand style. And this is the new content PDF I want to convert. Here's what was generated using that new style. You can see that the layout for the new slide deck looks exactly like the desired branding. It has done a great job capturing the layouts and fonts while creating a smooth flow for the presentation. Good job, Hermes. Number 2, teach Hermes something straight out of a YouTube video. Hermes can pull a video's transcript directly with no browser and no download required. Simply point /learn at a tutorial like this one, a full method for learning Japanese from zero, and it distills the technique being taught into a working skill rather than just a summary. Type /learn this video's method for learning Japanese from zero. Hermes will transcribe the video, analyze the method described, and create a new skill reflecting that process. After a few minutes, I can go to the Capabilities section of Hermes and see that the new skill has been created. Now let's use this new skill. Type /goal, use this method to build me a personalized 30-day Japanese study plan, and don't stop until every stage of the method is accounted for. That is, /goal, picking up exactly where /learn left off. It doesn't just hand back the video's tip list. It turns the method into a plan built around how you would actually use it. After several minutes, it builds a plan and showcases it in a fully interactive dashboard that outlines what to learn and which resources are needed for each day. That's all 30 days, including step-by-step daily goals. Mind blown. Number 3, and this one turns the skill on itself. Teach it how to write a better goal. Since /learn takes a URL as a source, I pointed it at a guide breaking down what actually makes a /goal condition work. It needs a measurable end state, proof that it happened, the constraints that must hold, and a limit so it doesn't run forever. Type /learn how to write a good /goal condition from this guide. Hermes will go to the URL you specified, read it, and analyze the guidelines to build out a skill that knows how to write effective goals. It doesn't just hand you back a summary of the article. Instead, it distills the actual formula into something it can apply, which is very different from just knowing the formula exists. As before, this new skill will appear in the capabilities section. This can be further edited or refined. Now, let's use this new skill. Type /goal, take this vague goal, make the deck better, and rewrite it as a proper completion contract using what you just learned. Watch it happen live as make the deck better turns into something the system can actually check itself against. It is worth double-checking its work the first time, as it's easy to write something that looks like a real completion contract without actually being checkable. Using what it has learned from that guide, it has taken this before goal and rewritten it so that there are concrete elements for a completion contract and an effective goal. This same pattern, pointing learn at something real and getting back a working skill, stretches a lot further than one deck. Let me give you a few more examples, fast. Feed it years of your own writing, and it doesn't just sound like you. It starts noticing things about you that you never pointed out, like every conference where you've mentioned speaking. Point it at a real support log, and it picks up the tone your best team member uses when they're de-escalating a situation, rather than just the policy doc nobody reads. Feed it outreach that actually got replies, and it drafts messages that sound like you on your best day. Brand risk is real here, so keep a human glancing at anything before it goes out. Show it 1 month's report, and it builds next month's version in the same format using raw numbers. It's copying structure, not judgment. A genuinely off number will still land in the same box unless you teach it to flag outliers. And walk it through one deploy, just once, and that whole procedure becomes a / command any teammate can run exactly the way you did. 8 skills, and any one of them can be handed to /goal the same way we did earlier. Here's the problem. None of them travel past this machine. New agent doesn't know any of it. Here's the fix, and it's the whole reason I built this video around Supabase instead of just showing you 8 local tricks. Remember the amnesia problem from the very start of this video? This is how it actually gets solved. Not just for one session, but for good. One table. Every skill from this list gets written here instead of staying local, using Supabase's own official agent skill, the same one that just plugs into Hermes because it's built to a format Hermes already reads, not some custom integration I bolted on. That means everything you just watched doesn't reset. It compounds. The deck skill, the outreach voice, all of it, available to any agent you spin up next, and to any teammate who spins one up too. 2 things to wire up, and neither requires custom code or a terminal. First, let's look at the skill itself. Type please add this skill and point it to the Supabase skill URL. Next is the actual connection to the database. While the skill teaches Hermes how to work with Supabase, this connection is what allows it to read and write to your specific data. Type connect to the Supabase MCP server. Go to your Supabase dashboard under Account and Access Tokens to generate a new personal access token. Grab that token, paste it in when prompted, and the connection is made. That's it. No custom integration, no glue code, and no terminal, just asking for it directly. We will now leverage our specialized Supabase agent skill and the MCP server to bridge our local environment with the cloud by persisting our local skills. Type the following command. Save all my learned skills from the local Hermes folder into Supabase. 1 row per skill in the skills table. Set the tenant ID and don't skip any of them. Every skill currently residing in your local development folder will then be migrated and saved in one continuous atomic operation. So if I head over to my Supabase database, you can see all of my skills saved here in this persistent table. To pull it all back down on a brand new agent, I don't need to teach it anything special beforehand. I just connect it to this Supabase project and ask. Type, connect to the Supabase MCP server and load all the skills from the skills table, especially any I don't already have. In the same session that started just 30 seconds ago, it's answering questions using skills from this list that it never actually learned, because they're not stuck on my laptop anymore. Every one of the 8 things you just watched can live here permanently, across any agent you ever spin up for any client on any machine. To recap, these are just a few examples of the cool things you can teach it using /len. The possibilities are truly endless, and any one of them can be passed to /goal if you want the task finished unsupervised instead of watching it turn by turn. None of it disappears when the session closes because everything is now stored in Supabase, permanent, not stuck on my laptop, and ready for the next agent or teammate who needs them. Testing these different use cases end to end, along with the Supabase save and reload, took a while to get right, so if this saved you the trouble, a like really does help. Let me know which one you're building first. See you in the next one.